Hi there, thanks for watching. My apologies up front. I'm not feeling too well tonight, but I did want to come on and do a video and unboxing because I received some new styles from Belle Tress a couple of days ago. I have 4 styles from their Luxe SE collection. These are styles that have not been available from the manufacturer in quite some time. I have Gabrielle, I have Lily, I have Campbell, and then I have Priestley. Priestley is the one that I'm going to do the unboxing for. These are all part of the Luxe SE collection, so I'll get into more details in just a minute when I do the unboxing. I am wearing Isabel. This is from Belle Tress, their Luxe collection. Isabel I'm wearing in Burnt Biscuit Blonde. So it's a pretty similar color you'll see to what you'll see in Butterbeer on Priestley. This one is really pretty, 100% hand tied, amazing cap. Belle Tress makes some really nice pieces. So I can't wait to show you Priestley. And here she is. I cannot wait. I have not taken her out of the box. I haven't even taken a look yet. So I wanted to do this on video. So we'll go ahead and get her out. This actually feels kind of heavy. I know it's a low density piece. Belle Tress makes most of their wigs in low density, but this long style, so it has a lot of, I will go ahead and get her out of the netting and pop her on so you can see what it looks like just out of the box. She's definitely pretty. I will show you a comparison to Burnt Biscuit Blonde, which is a color in the Luxe collection, compared to Butterbeer-R, so Butterbeer Rooted in the Luxe SE collection. Pretty close in color. I would say maybe Butterbeer is a little bit darker depending on the lighting, maybe a little bit more neutral. And Belle Tress's Luxe SE collection, this has a 3/4 hand-tied cap. So you do have some closed wefting here in the back. That helps to keep the price point down. It also helps keep the cap a little bit more stable. It has the extended velvet nape. It's really soft. Should be comfortable. The Velcro adjusters. It has the polyurethane ear tabs, and it does have the lace front. It's the full mono top with the lace front that extends into the ear tabs. So if you like to pull your hair off your face and wear those styles, this should really work well. But she's a long one for sure. So we'll go ahead and get it on. I'll show you what she looks like right out of the box, and then we'll later break up the parts and play with it a little bit so you can see the difference. So here is Priestley, box hair and all, right out of the box. I haven't done anything. It looks like I won't have to do a whole lot to Priestley to get her looking nice. I'm pretty short. I'm only 5'3", so this is pretty long looking on me. I think if you're taller and maybe have a longer neck, it might not look as long, but it is long. I think this one, and I'd have to double check. I don't want to tell you. I believe this one 2 inches overall. It's a pretty long style. So we'll break up the part and get her styled a little bit, and then I'll show you how she looks. So here's Priestley. All I did was comb through the curls just a little bit, broke up the zigzag part. I'm not really a center part person, so I did a little bit of a left part. You can see it has a really nice lace front. Pardon me again, not feeling the greatest, but I'm feeling a little bit better after putting this on, I'll have to tell you. She is really pretty, probably not good for everyday wear, more of like wedding hair, special occasions, date night. Because with these long heat-friendly synthetics, you do have some maintenance, and this one has some curls, so it might be a little bit more of a challenge to keep this one up, but I think she's definitely worth it. See how she looks from the side. Again, I don't know what my neck measurements are, but I think my neck is pretty short as well, but you can tell this is a long piece. Very pretty, typical silky, soft, buttery Belle Tress fibers. Really pretty. We do have Priestley and others in stock, ready to ship. If we don't have the colors available that you're looking for, we can order from the manufacturer. Come take a look. Visit us at Camille'sCrownCloset.com, and thank you for watching.